Welcome back to another video. Today we have a HackZall deal or hack. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. I did see this at the Facebook, and I also did see I think some of the other YouTubers that already did this deal here. I believe Joe the Tool Guy and Tool Boss, one of them. All right, so we got the M12 lithium or M12 fuel 12 volt lithium brushless cordless HackZall reciprocating saw kit with one, I believe it's the one key, or yeah, not one key, 4 amp hour battery, charger, and tool bag. So it does come with the big battery, as you guys see there. Pretty nice set here with the charger and a bag. All right, so it's $179. Says limit 3 per order. If you guys click here down to the free gift with purchase. All right, so if you guys click here, you guys can get the 1000 lumen lithium cordless rubber light or compact floodlight, valued at $89. You guys can get the Milwaukee M12 12 volt lithium cordless 3/8 ratchet tool only at $149. Or you can get the Milwaukee M12 12 volt lithium cordless 3/8 right angle drill, $89. Or you can get the 12 volt M12 12 volt cordless oscillating multi tool, valued at $89. Or you can get the M12 12 volt XE extended capacity 6 amp hour battery at $119. So guys, definitely, if you want to keep the tool, you want to get the tool for the cheapest. Obviously, you want to get the most expensive tool, which is the ratchet. So we select the ratchet, add both to cart. All right, guys. So you're gonna get the ratchet from $149. You're gonna get the ratchet for $81.31. Which is a really good deal. All right, here's the HackZall. The HackZall was regular price or on sale price $179, and you're gonna get it for $97.69 with a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and a bag. Guys, that's awesome, killer deal. There's a bunch of deals right now going on. I've been so busy with work. I've been working like 12 hours a day, or it's been crazy here. That's why I haven't made any more videos. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this and make more to review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. And I'll leave the link down below in the description section of this video. We'll see you on the next one.